Do you have that problem where axle stands are always in the way? Regardless, wherever you put them, they always seem to come in the way. You ended up shredding a bolt, or you've lost a bolt, or you can't find a tool you need, and you slip and fall over these axle stands. If you got that problem like me, I found a perfect solution in the form of a French cleat style storage. Hey guys, stay tuned while you watch me build this axle stand French cleat style holder. To do this storage holder, you need some sort of wood, ideally plywood or any sort of wood. You're going to need a jigsaw, a drill, and you're going to need power tool to screw the screws in, or a screwdriver, but ideally a power drill and a power gun to shoot the screws in. First thing I did was mark up the axle stands on a piece of wood. I got 4 axle stands, so I marked up 4 pieces, spaced them all out, and I pre-drilled the holes with a wood drill bit in each 4 corners, and then with my jigsaw I just cut it out in a circular motion. I cut out another piece of plywood for the backing, so the axle stand top could go and sit at the back of the plate. Cut it to size, pre-drilled with the wood bit, and then more 1/2 inch screws into the back of it, into the plywood, and my holder was ready. To cut the French cleats, you need to find a piece of wood, ideally 6x1s, or you could use anything, even 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch plywood as well, and you need to cut it through the middle at a 45-degree angle. There's many other videos on YouTube where you can see where to cut the French cleats, but what you need to do is cut it through the middle at a 45-degree angle. I use my jigsaw. Ideally you need a table saw, or best just go to your local store and get it cut at 45 degrees. After you cut your board in half, you need to put one side of it, the one facing downwards, onto the back of your holder tray. Then the other side you need to take to the wall. So what I did here was pre-drill a few holes, marked it up against my brick. I just used a brick level as a level, got something to hold it up, and got my masonry tool bit and got a little marking, drill through my brick wall, put in a 10mm plug. Put in one screw. I used 8mm by 170 into the wall, so it was nice and tough and strong, holding up. put all the screws into the wall, and that was one side, and then your French cleat style axle stand will go on hold. Hey guys, thanks for joining me doing this French cleat style axle stand holder. It's all there now, so I don't need to be falling over anymore and not getting in my way. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for me doing a trolley jack one and a few other garage style French cleat for storage. Thank you.